In this quick video, I'm just going to show you how to print off a copy of your schedule, which you definitely need to do. And during the first week of school, you really need to do it almost daily because, you know, classes do get canceled and they can continue to get canceled the first week of class. We try to limit that, but it can happen. So it's a good way for you just to stay abreast of what's going on. So the first thing you want to do is under current students, you want to go to My Lawson and log in. Log into your student account. From there, click on Student. Then click on Student Landing Page. Then click on Registration. And then you want to look for View Registration Information. It's over here on the left, the bottom left, third item. Okay. From here, if you have registered, okay, and I'll do this one. I'm registered for this one single class. You can see it here, English. Just go over here and you can see on the far right-hand corner there's a little print icon. So you can just go and click on the print icon. And a couple things. One, you can view your schedule this way. I can just view it. I can look at it, right? But I can also, as you can see, print it. So right now I'm viewing my schedule. I can see that I have English composition, and you can hear my printer in the background. It's printing it for me. And it's that simple. And again, all I did was I just clicked on this button right there. I can also click on English Composition 1 and I can pull it up this way. And this will give me the details about that course, right? As well. But printing is much easier, and I would encourage you to do a print of your schedule. If you just want to view it on your phone, you can just do it this way as well. All right, that's it. I hope it's been helpful.